Hello. Today we're diving into the concept of EGO, that inner voice driving our self-perception and decisions. Understanding EGO helps us balance confidence with humility, leading to better personal and professional growth. Embrace self-awareness to harness your EGO positively. Thanks for watching. Wonder fills this world. Love finds its way to enchanting places. I've waited for this connection, a pure magic. Two hearts intertwine, a beautiful story begins, bathed in a new glow.
Sex education is vital for young adults, starting with consent. Consent means clear, enthusiastic agreement every time. Open communication builds trust, helping you make informed health choices. Prioritize respect, safety, and well-being in all relationships.
All the videos you just saw just now are 15 seconds video each that were created using one tool. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you the tool and how to use it. And the tool is absolutely free for use. It has paid options, but the videos you saw, they are free. They are from the free side of it. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use that, okay? Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Jamila. This is our 30 days content creation challenge, AI video challenge. So we are creating videos, growing our socials. So if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, you can go through the playlist. All the videos you've missed are there. So today is day 4. There is video for day 1, 2, and 3. So let's get right into it. Before anything, we are going to go to ChatGPT, okay, and collect free prompts. So when we get to ChatGPT, we are going to tell ChatGPT to give us prompts. So let's create maybe 4 or 3 videos. Let's tell ChatGPT to give us a detailed prompt for a 15 seconds video. Okay, give me a detailed prompt for a 15 seconds video about food. Okay, so we are going to send that. So while we are at that, let me take you to the free tool we are going to be using. Okay, so the name of this tool is Heygen. It is spelled Heygen. So this is my own. Okay, it's just a website. Okay, you are going to be using the website, so you are going to wait for it to load, and you are going to see the interface, and I'm going to be explaining a couple of things there for you. Heygen is used for a lot of things. You can use Heygen to make your avatar talk. You can use Heygen to create a lot of things, but the avatar side is the one that is paid. Heygen is one of those beautiful AI tools for generating AI videos, and it is very, very good. Okay, so it is best used on your laptop, but if you don't have a laptop, if you are using your phone just like I'm using, you are going to click on these 3 dots at the side of your Chrome, the right side, right, the right hand side. So when you click there, you are going to scroll down and you are going to put your phone on the desktop side. You can see mine is at the desktop side. You can see it there. So that's just it. So at this place, you can see your home, you can see your project, video agent, app, blah, 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 avatar. So then this place, you see community, and you see a place that says bring any idea to life with video agent. That is the side that is free, and it is 15 seconds per video. And you can create 3 videos in a day, or maybe even more. So at this place, you see photo to video, quick avatar video, translate video, products, and all that. So today we are going to be creating a video with their video agent. Okay, so that's it. You can see here that they write create a professional. You can see they are saying a lot of things. Make a video that engage, a lot of things like that. So you can see at this plus sign they say choose from access, upload from your device. Okay, this is where you insert your pictures and all that. So you can still just give it the prompt and it will generate everything for you, right from the picture, from the avatar, from everything. It will generate it for you like that. So that is what we are going to be doing today. So we are just going to copy that prompt that ChatGPT gave us. Okay, let's just copy. ChatGPT gave us a couple of variations, so let's just copy one. Okay, let's just copy this. Okay, and we'll paste it. Today I'm not going to be removing the 15 seconds because you can see at this place ChatGPT say at 10 seconds show the ingredients, at 5 seconds transition to ends. So there is no need removing all these things. ChatGPT has given us like a style for it. Okay, so you are going to just click on this blue button. You can see at this place there is a ratio that you can make it. Okay, there is 60 seconds. Wow, there is actually 60 seconds. Okay, let's click 60 seconds. There is 15 seconds, 30 seconds, auto. So let's use 60 seconds. If you want your video to be 2 minutes, 3 minutes, that is when you have to like do the pro. So at this place is the landscape for like YouTube. At this place it is the portrait for Facebook and TikTok. So you can just click on your like blue for it to send. Okay, so let's just wait for it to send. One thing I want you to know is that Heygen is a little bit slow. It is not like Grok that generates your video in 2 seconds. Heygen is very slow. It might take 1 hour, it might take even like more than 1 hour. Okay, this one that it is generating 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. I wonder how long it will take. I've been using it to generate just 15 seconds video, 19 seconds maximum. I've never generated 60 seconds. So let's just see. Okay, you see it has changed it to 15 seconds. I said it before that what is it? That 1 minute there was just for fancy. Okay, so it is going to give you everything like this. After putting in your prompt, it is going to give you everything like this. It's actually on landscape. When it is at this place, you cannot change anything again. So it looks like when we were coming in, I changed it to landscape. So if you want to change anything, you have to go back. Okay, you have to go back and change it. That is just one thing. You have to go back. So you see, you have to go back and change anything you want to change. So I don't want it to be landscape. I want it to be for YouTube short so that I can post it on my short. So you can just go back, change whatsoever thing you want to change, because when it is here, when it has finished thinking, finished visualizing everything you want to do, there is no going back again. Okay, so here is it. Hello, I'm video agent, a helpful blah 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 blah, approximately 15 seconds. So the captions are disabled. All you need to do is just say yes and it will start generating your video. So let's just say yes, it will start thinking, start putting in the whole work and all that. So this is where you have to like wait for some time, 1 hour and the rest. So this is exactly what it is going to like show you. Okay, so you just have to like wait here, but then you can still leave the app, you can do many other things, and you can still put another prompt for it to generate for you. While it is generating this, you can be doing other things. You can go out of your phone, you can go to Facebook, you can go to any place you want to go. So that is just that. So we will have to like come back when everything has generated, then I'll show you what it looks like.
A few moments later.
So after some moments, a few moments later, so your video is ready. As you can see, after everything, it generated only 9 seconds. So you can play
fresh ingredients await preparation. Hands expertly slice fresh produce. Ingredients sizzle, releasing rich aromas.
Okay, so that is what our video look like, and this download site, you can download it from there. Okay, that is just it. You have downloaded it, and that is how to create your video using Heygen. That is the free side. If you are using the pro side, you can do a lot more. But then this is not the only video you can create using Heygen. There are many other things you can do even for free, and I'm going to be showing you that on this channel. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you turn on your notification. So this is what I just want to show you today, and so you just have to wait for it to download, okay? And like I said, that's not the only thing I want to show you though. There's another thing I want to show you, because after each video there is going to be a watermark at the end of it, okay? So I want to show you how to remove that watermark, okay? So to remove your watermark, all you need to do is head over to Chrome again, open a new tab and search on watermark. So on watermark is one of those AI tools that help you to remove your logo, your icon, watermark from your generated videos, okay? So this is how the interface is. All you need to do is just search on watermark AI and you are going to see it, okay? So you click on upload video and you select the file you want to remove the watermark from. I'll select this like this and I'll go down. You'll see this rectangle. Click on the rectangle and just come down here and draw it like this, okay? Just draw it on the side that has the watermark and you will click on, you can see you remove for free, re-upload. So if you think you did not mark it well, you can click on reset for you to like reset it. There is brush, there is eraser in case you made a mistake. I love using the rectangle, so I'll just do it like this, okay? So I'll click on remove for free and after a little time it will remove the watermark for you and you can download your video. Let's just wait for it to do that for us, okay? It's absolutely free. This is what it looks like. There are many others that can also be on watermark. When you search the name on Kobo, you can see a lot more, but this is what this one looks like. This is the one that does it, okay? So let's just wait for it to load. It doesn't take much time like that. Okay, so it has removed the watermark for us and now we can download our video and easy peasy, okay? So this is what our video looks like. It has been downloaded and then we can play it like this.
Fresh ingredients await preparation. Hands expertly slice fresh produce. Ingredients sizzle, releasing rich aromas.
As you can see, it looks like I did not cycle my own way. I did not clean it well. You can do that for yours. And one thing again is that after removing the watermarks, the place looks so obvious that you removed something from there. You can just write your brand name and put it there. Maybe on our next video I'm going to show you that. But we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Today I've taught you two things: how to generate videos with your Heygen and how to remove watermark from the Heygen app, okay? You can download, you can do a lot of things using Heygen. You can just go to ChatGPT, pick your prompt and generate. You can talk about peace, love, food, any topic that comes to your head. You can go there. You can even generate a video about a day in your life. An avatar can just do that for you in 16 seconds, okay? So we've come to the end of day 4 of our 30 days AI video challenge, and your assignment today is that you should generate 5 different types of videos and post it on your socials. The video number 1 is going to be about food, number 2 is going to be about magic, number 3 is going to be about a farm, number 4 is going to be about transportation, and number 5 is going to be about you, okay? Let me see what you can come up with. Let me see your prompt. Let me see how you can tweak them. Let me see how you can make it so fun, okay? I'll see you tomorrow, which is going to be day 5, okay? I believe you're having fun as much as I'm having fun. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. Even if you have questions, you can leave a comment and I'm going to reply you. I'll see you on the next one, and bye bye.